we wake, hear the birds and see the sun. Side by side our fears are done. Oh, the good times just begun. We know what we have, let's hold on tight. Found what we're looking for in life. Call us crazy.
Oh no.
Oh crap. Oh gosh.
The last few weeks have been especially challenging, so I decided that more slow, simple living is key. And I'm hoping today is the perfect cozy day at home. There's a lot at stake today as I fight overwhelm and the time and energy in this vintage recipe that may not turn out. But there's just something comforting about getting your hands in making homemade pie crust like they did in the good old days. Pie crust and pie filling need 4 hours in the fridge, so let's get outside and pick some flowers.
Oh crap. Oh gosh.
I try again, but see more. I'm trying to practice what someone dear has taught me to keep calm and keep going. I've sanitized the table, now let's get to making that homemade apple pie. I just remembered I forgot to spray the pan, and it doesn't look big enough. Calming down and looking at the facts, it's going to be covered up anyway. Oh boy. But it's okay. This pie crust is very forgiving, and it's going to puff up and you won't even be able to tell all of this piecing together. Yes, I'm putting into practice today and it's working, about keeping calm, taking out the emotion. I'll put a link to the blog post about who taught me how to do this. And look at the reward. Even simple, slow living, cozy baking days aren't perfect, but friends, I kept calm and kept going, and it was a peaceful, stress-free day. And I encourage you to do the same. All the helpful links that you will need are in the description box below. Love y'all.